Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best auto dash repair kit is probably one of the most essential tools for any car owner looking to maintain the pristine condition of their vehicle's interior, offering a convenient and cost-effective solution to common dashboard blemishes such as scratches, cracks, and fading. This versatile kit empowers you to tackle minor damages yourself, saving you the expense and hassle of professional repairs and ensuring your car's dashboard always looks its best, reflecting your pride in ownership and attention to detail. Number 5. Auto Trim Removal Tool Kit, 5-piece set. This set is made from durable nylon, ensuring your car's surfaces are protected from scratches. It offers strong leverage for removing trims, panels, and dashboards with ease. Removing dashboards, door panels, and plastic trim is now fast and simple. This tool set is essential for any vehicle, whether it's a car or an SUV. Each tool is built to last, designed to be sturdy yet flexible. They can handle tight angles and edges during disassembly without damaging fragile surfaces. This set includes multiple shapes for various applications. It helps safely extract rivets, fasteners, and car clips without causing damage. The lightweight kit fits easily in your glove box or toolbox. It's ready for quick access whenever you need to fix, replace, or upgrade your car's interior. What we like. This kit features non-scratch nylon tools, making it ideal for delicate interior work. If you're looking to safely remove door panels and trim without damaging your car's surfaces, this is the set for you. It's perfect for DIY enthusiasts who prioritize a scratch-free finish. What people say. The no-scratch design ensures that the vehicle's interior remains undamaged, and the variety of tools included in the kit handles a wide range of tasks. The tools are made of durable plastic and come in a bright blue color for easy visibility. The nylon material is tough enough to apply leverage without bending, yet soft enough that it won't scratch up plastic, vinyl, or painted trim. Number 4. GOOACC 5PCS Auto Trim Removal Tool Kit. Introducing the GOOACC 5-piece Auto Trim Removal Tool Kit. This set is designed to help you tackle various car repair and restoration tasks with ease. With 5 different types of trim tools, including a fastener remover, you'll have everything you need to make repairs efficiently. Save time, reduce frustration, and keep more money in your pocket. Crafted from impact-resistant nylon fiber, these tools are tougher and more durable than standard nylon options. They are also non-toxic and eco-friendly. Designed for comfort and efficiency, these tools are lightweight and easy to hold. Their ergonomic shape makes interior and exterior car trimming tasks effortless. Perfect for installing or removing car audio systems, door panels, moldings, emblems, and window trims. They are also ideal for automotive interior repairs and furniture restoration. We are confident in the quality of our product. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to contact our customer service for assistance. What we like. With its premium-grade nylon and ergonomic design, this tool set offers superior durability and ease of use. If you need a reliable and comfortable set for various car audio and interior repairs, this is an excellent choice. It's designed for those who value efficiency and comfort during repairs. What people say. The variety of tools made quick work of both the door panels and the dash speaker grills in my car. The thicker plastic pry bar worked great for the door panels, and both that and the thin notched flat wedge tools helped me get to the dash speakers. The tools are sturdy and didn't scratch or damage the trim. No scratch plastic. Great for clips and panels. These trim tools worked great for removing the radio out of my truck. No damage to interior panels and very easy to use. Number 3. COCONIX Leather and Vinyl Repair Kit, Brown and Shades. Tired of seeing tears, holes, or scratches on your favorite leather and vinyl items? Our repair kit is designed to easily fix all kinds of damage, bringing them back to life. Join over 1 million happy customers worldwide who have successfully restored their cherished belongings. You can trust our proven solution to get the job done right. Everything you need for a simple and stress-free repair is included in this all-in-one kit. No need to search for additional supplies. Achieve a seamless blend with our wide range of customizable colors. Our easy-to-follow guide ensures you can create the perfect shade to match your item flawlessly. Experience repairs that are made to last. Our flexible and durable formula ensures your fix won't crack or peel, maintaining the integrity of your item. From cracks and burns to fading and peeling, this kit handles it all. It works on furniture, car seats, jackets, shoes, and more, on various types of leather and vinyl. Don't let tricky repairs intimidate you. Our expert team is available to provide free personalized advice, empowering you to tackle any repair with confidence. What we like. This kit provides an all-in-one solution with customizable colors for a perfect match. If you have tears, holes, or scratches on your leather or vinyl car seats and want a repair that lasts, this is the product for you. It's ideal for anyone looking to restore their car's interior to its original glory with a professional-looking finish. What people say. The COCONIX Leather and Vinyl Repair Kit offers a range of benefits for those looking to restore their damaged leather and vinyl items. One of its standout features is the customizable color matching, which includes various brown shades that can be blended to achieve a near-perfect match for different leather tones. This versatility makes it effective for both light and dark brown leather surfaces. Additionally, the kit excels in repairing tears, scratches, and peeling, successfully covering cracks, small holes, and surface scratches. It also works to restore faded or discolored areas, enhancing the overall appearance of the item. Users appreciate how easy it is to use. The kit comes with clear step-by-step instructions, allowing even beginners to navigate the repair process without the need for heat or complicated tools. Coconut Leather and Vinyl Repair Kit worked well. I had a whole Minatuzi leather sofa that was easy to repair with this kit. I was surprised at how well it holds. The stickiness makes it easy to hold the patch, and the thickness and organ's durability of the patch is outstanding. Number 2. Professional Black Leather Repair Kit. Bring life back to your cherished leather items. This kit is ideal for various leather goods, maintaining their appearance and functionality. The simple application process ensures quick and effective repairs. Repair scratches or cracks on any leather surface with ease. Whether it's a cherished couch or a frequently used car seat, our kit offers a dependable way to maintain and repair your leather. Use our fast-drying gel to quickly mend cuts, tears, and scratches. It's ideal for both car interiors and couches, ensuring professional results with ease. Keep your furniture looking new with our solution. Whether it's your favorite couch or car seat, this scratch repair is your go-to for quick and reliable maintenance. This kit offers a complete solution for all your leather repair needs. From furniture to car interiors, it provides everything you need for durable repairs and a flawless finish. What we like. This kit offers a quick and easy application with a fast-drying gel for professional results. If you're dealing with scratches or minor damage on black leather car seats or furniture and need a reliable, speedy fix, this is your go-to solution. It's perfect for maintaining the appearance of your leather goods with minimal effort. What people say. The repair liquid dries to feel just like the original seat fabric faux leather. The instructions are clear enough for anyone willing to slow down and follow them, and the black color blends in better than you might expect, smoothing over cracks and scratches with a soft kind of grace. It's much easier to use on black objects because the color match is so much closer easier than other colors. Number 1. ATOLS Upgraded Plastic Welder Kit. Discover the ATOLS Upgraded Plastic Welder, your ultimate solution for plastic repairs. This versatile kit is designed to handle a wide range of plastic materials and applications. With its ability to fix over 98% of plastics on the market, this tool is perfect for bumpers, dashboards, and various car and motorcycle parts. Restore your broken items with ease. Experience rapid heating in just 1 to 2 seconds, allowing you to quickly and safely melt staples into plastic. The built-in light ensures convenient and secure operation. Featuring stainless steel staples that won't rust and a wavy design for maximum load, it provides strong, shock-resistant repairs. Extend the life of your damaged parts. Designed with an ergonomic grip and a comfortable rubber handle, it ensures a fatigue-free experience even during extended use. Operation is quick and straightforward. This portable welder comes with everything you need, including pliers, a carry case, and a variety of staples. It's the comprehensive solution for all your plastic repair needs. What we like. Featuring rapid heating and the ability to repair up to 98% of plastics, this kit is incredibly versatile. If you need to fix car bumpers, dashboards, or other plastic components and want a strong, durable weld, this is the tool you need. It's ideal for mechanics and car enthusiasts who frequently work with plastic repairs. What people say. The kit comes with a variety of tools that make the repair process easier. It includes different colors of filler to match the dashboard perfectly. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for beginners. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.